Hi, Chris Dunning here, CEO of Tech Quarters. I've got a great video for you today about why businesses are switching to use cloud computing over normal on-premise networks. Let's drill down in some of the headlines. Okay, 75% of businesses in the UK are going to use cloud computing solutions this year. You'll get, obviously, to use the cloud, most people want to use it because they want to reduce their costs. It increases the flexibility and your scalability so you can choose as much and use as much as you want and then downscale it or upscale it very quickly. You can get a mobile workforce, of course. It enables that. The upgrades are a lot easier now, so if you've got an older system, it goes to the next version. The cloud vendor will upgrade you free of charge. Business continuity, so with all the bad weather, you can still work from home. You don't have to go into your office with the way the cloud works. And of course, the IT security now is paramount in these large data centers. They're all certified to the hilt. In fact, all of your email transit back and forth can be encrypted, so it would take 10 years to actually de-encrypt it and get access to the data. So, some great reasons why you would switch to the cloud. Let's drill down on a few of those. Okay, reduced costs is what it's all about with the cloud. Gone are the days of having this large capital expenditure upgrading your servers. You can put this onto a small monthly subscription. So services are provided for a fraction of the cost. So what I mean by that is, if you buy an Exchange server online, that's going to be up to 10 grand. If you take an Exchange mailbox online, that's £2.60 per user per month. That is a long time before you have to pay back that £10,000 upgrade. You don't physically own the IT solution. So the benefit of that is you're not paying for the operating system, you're not paying for the hardware, you're just paying for that small monthly subscription. That's why you get reduced costs with the cloud. Okay, flexibility and scalability. What we mean by this is, with the cloud you can increase or decrease your services to your liking. Again, let's take Microsoft Office 365 as a solution. You can up your user amount on a monthly basis and down it on a monthly basis. So your bill will only relate to what you're actually using. You don't pay for the services you do not use. So take one of the Windows Azure servers from Microsoft Online. You can turn them off temporarily for a month and then turn them back on. And you don't pay for that month that they weren't being used. Incredibly flexible, and you can change this at any time you want. And that's the best thing about the cloud vendors. Turn on, turn off, turn on and offable. Mobility and agility. Okay, work from a variety of locations and devices. What we mean by this is you can work from home, you can work from your office, you can work on the train if you really want to. You can work from a Pret-a-Manger or a Starbucks. Wherever there is an internet connection, you can work, as long as you have a device with a Wi-Fi signal or a 3G signal. Okay, so you can pick up where you left off from anywhere on any device. So, if the line drops, you just simply reconnect, you start up, and you're back on the cloud. You log in from anywhere, on the go. All files and documents and software and locations are available online. So what we mean by that is, wherever you are, you can get access to all your work files, all of the folders, all of the systems, all from that one device. So you don't have to be in the office. And you can work from almost anywhere, as we're saying there, with an internet connection. So there's a lot of repeating stuff there, but what we're trying to get at is you can work anywhere, from any device, at any time, wherever you are in the world. Also, easier upgrades. So, cloud vendors upgrade your cloud solutions. Again, Microsoft Online, Microsoft Office 365, all of these solutions go through different iterations. So, version 2007 went to version 2010, version 2010 to 2013. This is all done by the cloud vendor and it's free of charge to you. You just pay for your subscription and it's all upgraded. Okay, so new solutions are also made available to you. So with, again, Office 365, you might get Dynamics added as a subscription. So as these new packages come online, they're added to your portal. So you can simply say, yes, I want to subscribe to MS Project Online now. Yes, I want to subscribe to Microsoft CRM now. And just pay your small monthly subscription. Fantastic flexibility. Business continuity is a real buzzword with a lot of people looking at the cloud. Okay, on-premise IT disasters. Say water hits your server. You really don't have to worry about that, because if you haven't got your server in your office and you're connecting to the cloud, gone are those days. Nobody's going to pour water on a data center. Employees can work from another location. Yeah, of course. So if something happens in the office here and my employees can't get in, I just literally send them to any internet cafe or at home or our second office, and they can just work from there because all of their applications and systems are all up in the cloud. You can access tools and solutions you need over the internet. So we use a lot of remote control techniques, softwares. We can connect to them from our surfaces, from wherever we are, outside the office if we want, and carry on working. Okay, and it keeps you working normally despite external disasters. What happened over the last few months with the trains not working, people couldn't get into the office, that didn't affect us. It doesn't affect us at all. We could even unplug our phones here and just go straight over to where there's another internet connection, plug them in and boom, they start working straight away. That is the flexibility of the cloud. The IT security is the buzzword about the cloud as well. So these data centers that you connect to now are incredibly certified. Microsoft's data centers are ISO 27001 accredited, they are SAS Type 270 accredited, and there's loads of other accreditations as well. But the bottom line is, I would actually put my money with Microsoft security being better than a local network with a smaller firewall. You know, you're going to get much better security levels at these large data centers. That's their focus. Physical and logical security. What we mean by that is, physically, you actually have your hand read, you have your eye read before you go in. These are biometric palm readers and eye readers. That's a mouthful. And then you also have security guards that walk you to certain enclosures, and then you have to swipe a card and put a pin in. So there's a lot of physical security that goes into getting to your server. The second thing is actually logical security. What I mean by that is, Microsoft again have 7 different layers of firewalling and networking before you actually get to your devices. So incredibly secure and encrypted data. And then finally, what we mean by software encryption, let's take email as an example. You can encrypt your sending of email and receiving of email, which can take a hacker up to 10 years to actually access with an algorithm that's placed on the actual encryption. So there's lots of ways of making your data very, very secure with the cloud. We actually have healthcare customers in the cloud now. We have financial houses. We have asset managers using these cloud-based systems. You can bet your bottom dollar it's pretty secure and it's been checked before they signed up to it. Give us a call, we'd love to hear from you. Just call me on 0800 148 8001 and we'll talk to you about the cloud whenever you need to. Thanks for listening.